Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.
Hey everyone, here is the question for this video. A cube is inserted inside the sphere, where every edge of the cube is touching the inner wall of the sphere. If the length of the side of the cube is 5 cm, what is the volume of the sphere? Pause the video if you want to answer this question first. Now, let's answer this question together. To solve this question, first you need to find the diagonal of the cube, which is also the diameter of the sphere. You can find the diagonal of the cube by using root of 5 square plus 5 square plus 5 square, where 5 is the side length of the cube. Working this down, you can get root of 25 plus 25 plus 25, which is also equal to 5 root of 3. Since we know that the diagonal of the cube is equal to the diameter of the sphere, hence the radius of the sphere is equal to 2.5 root of 3. Since we know already get the radius of the sphere, hence we can use the following formula for a sphere. Here we got 4 over 3 times pi times 2.5 root of 3 to the power of 3. We then got 125 root of 3 pi over 2, which is equal to 340.08738. Hence the volume of the sphere is 340 cm cubed. Thank you for watching this video.
Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.